Traveler's Notebook Kit. So I'm going to show you first what it looks like when you're done making it, and then we'll take a look at the contents of the kit. So as always, the Layle by Mail Traveler's Notebook Year-Round Kit includes products to put together 2 months worth of your Traveler's Notebook. So in this video, or in this kit, we're doing May and June. So in this spread, I have used, or I should say setup, I have used the Simple Stories Bliss collection. So it's a really pretty, nice, soft pastels, great for spring, so great for May. You have the products that you need to decorate the pockets. Always with the Traveler's Notebook kits, we focus on 1 or 2 new techniques that I teach you or introduce every other month. And this month we'll be doing 2 things. One is making our own clips. So we'll talk a lot about how to make your own clips out of paper clips, or really with any item besides or including a paper clip. So we'll have fun with that. We are also making slip covers for our inserts. So that's something that we've done and we've talked about before, but we're going to do that every month so that you can switch in and out your inserts as you fill them up. So that is my first insert that I've covered, and that is the second one. So that gives you a pretty good feel for what the May setup looks like. Then we move into June, and June is all about summer. Oh, this is so fun. I love this collection. This is the Simple Stories Hello Summer collection. And as you can see, really bright colors, flamingos, sunshine, pineapples. We're going to do this really fun technique where we are using crepe paper to create the leaves on the top of the pineapple. Palm trees, just really great colors and graphics. So again, all the product that you need to do your pockets as well as do your inserts, and then you have lots of product left over as well. So I've covered this insert with that really pretty kind of wood floral, a little bit tropical pattern, and then I've carried that through also onto this one as well. And in this one we'll talk about setting up a washi storage pocket that I think that you guys are really going to like, that you can move from Traveler's Notebook to Traveler's Notebook. Okay, so those the 2 that we saw there, that is what our spreads are going to look like for both months. Now let's move into the product that's included in the kits. So the kit every other month always includes 1 insert, and with that 1 insert, if you've subscribed to prior kits, we started with a Traveler's Notebook that had an insert and then an additional insert. So you are using the inserts to, as you finish them up, you're switching out with new inserts. The kit always includes 1 new insert, and this is just a fun pattern as it is, but we're going to cover that. Then let's look at May. So May, as I mentioned, is using the Simple Stories Bliss collection. So beautiful papers in the collection. The floral, the whitewashed wood grain is beautiful, so I've used that side, but so you guys know, you also have double sides, so you have a choice in how you want to kind of use your papers and your slip covers. This is another one, that beautiful kind of watercolor floral, and if you like butterflies, you could switch that up and do the butterfly side instead. And then of course we always use the 3x4 elements, and what's so great about these is they're perfect for decorating the pockets in your TN, but also doing a little bit of fussy cutting as well. So we have the 3 papers. This month, instead of the 12x12 sticker sheet, I've introduced the bits and pieces. So these are the die cuts. This little package holds 41 die cuts. So we're using those to decorate the pockets, to decorate our inserts, and then you have lots left over. So if you want to decorate the inside of some of your inserts, you can as well. Then we move into June, which would be that really fun Hello Summer collection. So starting out with the 12x12 sticker sheet, lots of great stickers. You can get a really good feel for that collection there. It's just such a fun, bright, cheery summer collection. This pineapple paper, although I have used this side, the reverse side, to slip cover one of my inserts. So you can see there I used that reverse side, but obviously you have two sides, 2 options. This was the other pattern that I used to slip cover one of my inserts. Also a really fun, just kind of more of a neutral pattern on the other side. And then of course the 3x4 elements, or the cut apart cards. All right, the last few things in the kit. 12 inches of crepe paper, and that we're using to kind of give some dimension to the top of our pineapple there. We have a couple of different things that we will be using to put together our clips, a little jewel, a flower, and then a rose gold paper clip. And then 12 inches each of some baker's twine and some jute to decorate our inside pockets. And then finally, we have the 24 inches each of 2 different washi. So that's the washi for Hello Summer, and that's the washi for Bliss. And I'm using a playing card here. We'll talk more about that if you subscribe to the kit, in how you are going to create a washi storage pocket to go in your Traveler's Notebook insert. So, as always with the Traveler's Notebook kits, you receive the kit. You also receive links to 2 Plan With Me or 2 TN With Me, TN meaning Traveler's Notebooks. You receive links to 2 videos when your kit ships, and then basically in those videos, I am actually putting my Traveler's Notebook together. So we're kind of working together. You can work along or just watch to get a feel for how I've done things. You will find all of the information on ordering the kit at the end of this video. You can go to my blog and you will see information on ordering the kit there. So these are shipping now. The Traveler's Notebook kits have been going fairly quickly. So if this is something you're kind of on the fence about, make a decision quick because they will not be around for long. You can also visit me on Instagram at Layle, L-A-Y-L-E, Koncar, K-O-N-C-A-R, and see more of the work that I do with Traveler's Notebooks. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall. Hope when the water rises.